Hello. Yes, I'm going to be doing trendy ways to give wine in style. Let's get started. I have 4 sheets of gold mylar cut from a DollarTree tablecloth. I use this black bandana 21-inch as a pattern and added 2 extra inches on one end only. Here's the tablecloth. Don't open the whole thing. Unfold just what you need for your pattern. So now I'm going to lay out the pattern. I really apologize I was trying a new camera angle. Didn't work. But I'm laying out the pattern. The first sheet is in a square. The second one is between the square like a diamond shape. And the third one is you lay the point between those points, and so on until you get a starburst shape like this. So you can see all of the points like a starburst, like this. So now you just set the wine bottle in the dead center. You want to get this centered as much as possible. I'm pulling up the ends to see if they meet at the top evenly. That way I know if I have to adjust it. So now I've put my hands under all of the sheets and I'm gathering it very slowly and evenly up the bottle. It's important to go evenly up the bottle and kind of look at it and adjust as you go. Have your rubber band handy. Put it on kind of tight. And there you have just the basics. As you'll see, the possibilities are endless. I have these foam double stick tape foam squares, real small. And I'm going to put about 5 of those around the bottle. Here I have some garland, and I think this is about 30 inches of garland. And I'm going to go around the bottle twice. You can use the foam squares, the double stick foam squares, or tape, it doesn't matter. Hot glue may melt the mylar. I'd be careful. Next, I'm adding some bling strip. And then the +1. And here it is. The +1 is such a nice touch. I promise you, the recipient will light up. Okay, moving right along. Everybody has a friend who's put together like Barbie. So this one I'm laying out in the diamond and the square pattern, just using 2 bandanas. And like the other ones, I'm putting my hands up under both the bandanas and bringing them up slowly. It starts to look like a flower. So pretty. And for this one, I'm going to be adding a little purse card. And I'll show you that in a minute. We're going to pull up the petals. You want to pull the petals up so you don't have lumpy sides, or make it all look nice. Okay, next I'm going to add this bling wrap ribbon and make a beautiful bow. But here's the card. I'm using it like a greeting card. I did this on my Cricut machine, but you could cut an oval shape. You could make this work without a Cricut machine. An oval shape with 2 slits out the center. Cut it on the fold of the paper and make some handles out of something stiff. The B I also cut from my Cricut machine, die cutting machine, but you can get letters from the DollarTree. And just glued those letters onto the little purse. Look how beautiful it turned out. Okay, this next one will light up the party and the recipient's jaws will drop. I'm using the same star pattern as in the previous one and just gathering it like usual, pulling the petals out, adjusting. And now I'm going to be using these glow sticks from the DollarTree. They're the bracelet ones. And they come in 8, 12 in a pack, but I'm using a 12 pack. You could get 2, 8, and more the merrier, but if you just want to cut down on expense, 1 pack is sufficient, like I've used here. And as you can see, they have connectors, and you just put them together like the bracelets. And 6 you're going to make into bracelets, and the other 6 you're going to leave straight. Now they do have the instructions where you just, crack them until they light up, and then you twirl them around. And just put them over, 6 of them over the neck of the bottle. And that's how it looked with all 6 of the bracelets down over the neck of the bottle. And the other 6, you're just going to put inside the bottle. And you can feel it going under the bracelets that are on top. Just stick those in, spread them around. And I'm just showing you how they light up when you squeeze them and twirl them. Terrible twirling, but you get the idea. I love this. Here it is, all lit up and ready to light up your host. And so easy to do. Really impressed with this one. It's great for Halloween also, if you want to use it for that, 4th of July, a lot of ideas. Now that I've shown you the techniques and patterns that I've used, I'm going to go through the other great designs rather quickly for the most part. This one I used about a 12-inch piece of jewelry chain I had on hand, and I used 8-inch pieces and slip knotted them around the 12-inch piece. And that slip knot is shown in number 9, the ornament. Okay, this one I used 2 bandanas and 2 mylar sheets in the starburst pattern. Hey, let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. Okay, here's where I did the slip knot. And just fold it in half, put the loop in through the ornament hole, and pull the 2 ends through the loop. And you can also add candy to these ornaments. Skittles, M&Ms, whatever can fit in the hole. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.